friends, my name is Antriksh Pathak and I am from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Kundleshwar, class 8B, and I want to chat to the children who are watching this video to subscribe for the VVM and register for the VVM, because VVM is a very good, best platform for science and technology. So please register for the VVM. And I want to thank the organizer of VVM, Santosh Patel sir, who gave me a chance to give the test of VVM and express my talent. Okay, so I am now starting my progress, and in this video I am telling you that the mini fan, how does the mini fan work, and I am doing the mini fan and I will run it by data cable, charger and switch. So now, without wasting time, I am seeing you how to run. See, it is running, and it is also giving wind. It is running and also giving wind. It is running and also giving wind. I want to see you that it is giving wind. Hence, it is giving wind. Thank you all of who are watching my video. Okay friends, you know that oil floats on the water, and this is a nail paint and this is like a oil, and I have poured it in the water. Okay, you can see I have poured it in the water, and now I am burning it. You can see the water is burning. You can see. Okay friends, the water is burning now because it is oil. Thank you friends. Okay friends, now I am seeing you another experiment. You can see this is a water, this is water, this is water. You can see this is majestic. Okay, I have poured it in water. It is not burning, you can see. Okay, no problem. Now this is paste. This is paste. Okay, now you can see I am dipping it in water. You can see I have dipped it in water. Okay, now you can see I am clearing. Okay. Now it will burn. Oh, that was wrong side, so it is not burning. You can see it is burning. That was wrong side. It is wet, so it is not burning. Now this side is dry, so it was burning. You can see. Okay.